I'm Anita Wardlaw, and welcome to a fresh new day. To tell you about something that occurred in my backyard not too long ago on Saturday, August 30th. We were enjoying the backyard when suddenly my son let out a gasp. Something appeared on his foot. He said, "What is it?" It was stout, approximately 1 inch long, brown with big eyes. I looked and immediately I knew what it was, because I have studied entomology, or the science of insects, in college, among many other subjects. And I told him, that is none other than a cicada. I was happy to see that little critter. I knew in Minnesota it had been underground for up to 8 years. In Minnesota, the cicada is called the annual or dog day cicada, typically emerging between July and September. They're completely harmless, but they look a bit alarming. The cicada stays underground as a baby or nymph, as I said, approximately 7 to 8 years in Minnesota. Then it comes above the ground. In that stage, it crawls up fences and posts and trees until the maturity in which it loses its outer skin or casing. Many a person has stumbled upon the outer casing of a cicada with alarm, only to notice there's nothing inside. The cicada that we saw was an adult male cicada. The cicada makes a high-pitched sound by vibrating a membrane within its body. After the cicada is mature, as I said, it makes that sound. Only the male makes the sound, and he makes it to attract the females. The cicada I saw was not a nymph because the nymph does not have wings. This had wings and it was brown in color. I had fun filming that cicada with my iPhone because I didn't have my TV camera handy at the time. A cicada in other locations sometimes can stay underground for up to 17 years. Those cicadas are called periodical cicadas. Now the cicada in Minnesota, as I said, only stays underground up to 8 years. And when you see them, don't be alarmed. They are completely harmless. They do a bit of feeding on trees, but the damage is totally undetectable. The best thing to do if you see a cicada is leave it alone. Let it enjoy its life. I thought you might enjoy what I saw because not everyone gets an up-close look at a cicada, and many don't want to look up close at all. I have a picture of a cicada. Very rarely do you get to see a cicada so up close. He appeared on my son's foot in the backyard. And since I've had entomology in college, I found it very interesting. Nobody else is quite so interested as I am. But take a peek at him. Here he is walking along, Mr. Cicada. Have a blessed day. I took him off the picnic table and put him back on the tree from which he fell off. He looks just like the tree bark. He blends right in. Now he is happy and he's going right back where he wants to be, up in the tree, so he can make his unique sound. I am celebrating life in the last days of summer. Listen to the high-pitched sound of the cicada. Remember, cicadas are harmless. If you see one, don't be alarmed. They will not hurt you. Just enjoy their buzzing sound. It seems to be louder than usual. Some people are asking, why so loud and why so late in the season are we seeing so many cicadas? Well, some scientists believe it's because of the late spring. Cicadas typically are more active when it's warmer. So enjoy. If you don't enjoy wildlife and science as much as I do, just enjoy the fact that life is abundant and enjoy that sound. And remember, they stop making that sound in the nighttime. Some people might say, as actually my husband said to me one day, I hear them at night. I said, no, they don't make the sound at night. That most likely is the katydid. Enjoy these warm autumn days. And if you're watching this when it's not autumn, enjoy your day anyway and make it a fresh new day.